Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll demonstrate, guys, how to fix code P0335 on Mercedes E-Class, guys. This one will be the W211 from 2003 all the way until 2009, and the code P0335 relates to crankshaft position sensor. You can see how we have the hood open in service position. We have the video on our channel, and you will need to do that in order to get to the crankshaft position sensor, because it's very bad place. We'll show you. I mean, it's reachable, but it's way easier when the hood is like that. So the vehicle turns over, doesn't start. Okay, and we plug the scanner in. Okay, and let's see what we got now, guys. Okay, let's go ahead and read the codes quick and show you exactly what's happening there and how we're going to fix it, and if it will fix the problem, if the vehicle will start again. Okay, so it will take a little bit to connect, and once it connects, I'm going to go back to it, guys, so you can see. Okay, guys, so we have one code found. Okay, so let's read that one quick. Okay, read code. Okay guys, so this is the code that we have. P0335. Okay, crankshaft position sensor. So in our case, either it's a bad wiring or a bad sensor. We are going to go ahead, check the wiring, replace the sensor, and see if that fixes the problem, guys. Okay, stay with us and let's see what happens. Okay guys, we replaced the crankshaft position sensor. If you need that video, we will have it on the channel as well. Let's go ahead, clear the codes quick, okay? And we're going to start the vehicle and see if that fixed our problem. I just want to see if it's going to fix the problem, so we know. And if you need the procedure, we'll have the video. Okay, let's start now. Okay, it fired right up, guys. No engine light. Okay, so obviously that was the problem. Crankshaft position sensor, guys. That fixed our problem. It fires every time. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and see. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.